Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best floral glue is probably one of the most essential tools for any floral designer, crafter, or DIY enthusiast looking to create stunning arrangements that stand the test of time. Whether you're working on intricate wedding bouquets, elaborate event decorations, or simply adding a touch of floral beauty to your home, having a reliable adhesive that can hold delicate petals, sturdy stems, and various embellishments in place is paramount. This product promises to deliver a strong, flexible bond that dries clear, ensuring your creations look as natural and beautiful as possible without any unsightly residue. Number 5. B7000 Adhesive Rhinestones Glue Kit. Discover the upgraded B7000 Glue Kit, your all-in-one solution for all your crafting needs. It includes everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Experience unparalleled precision with its anti-clogging cap and ultra-fine tip. Apply glue exactly where you need it, for intricate designs and delicate applications. This professional-grade adhesive offers high-strength viscosity for a firm, reliable bond. It dries clear, remains non-yellowing, and is both strong and waterproof for enduring creations. Get back to your projects quickly. It dries in just 3 minutes at room temperature and fully cures within 24 to 48 hours, allowing you to enjoy your finished pieces sooner. From cell phones and jewelry to nail art and fabric, this versatile glue works on a wide array of surfaces and materials. It's perfect for DIY crafts, repairs, and embellishments. This kit comes complete with helpful tools like a wax pencil, tweezers, and dotting pens. These accessories make handling small rhinestones and applying glue easier than ever. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for your crafting projects, including dotting tools and tweezers. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for detailed work like jewelry making or nail art, this is a great choice. Its strong, waterproof bond ensures durability for all your DIY creations. What people say. This glue is perfect for attaching ribbons to floral foam. It dries clear and holds securely, making it ideal for various floral arrangements. The nozzle allows for precise application, which is great for delicate work. Number 4. FITTDYHE B7000 Jewelry Glue 50 ml. Experience a transparent, waterproof bond that seals out air and liquid. It leaves no stains, making it perfect for restoring electronics and jewelry, or for all your crafting needs. Our needle-designed cap prevents clogging, allowing for precise, controlled application. Apply tiny drops exactly where you need them for intricate work. This multi-purpose adhesive works on a wide range of materials including fabric, metal, glass, wood, and more. It's ideal for cell phones, jewelry, nail art, and countless other crafts. Unlike other glues, this adhesive offers exceptional elasticity, stretching up to 900% without breaking. It ensures a durable bond that moves with your materials. Achieve a strong, firm hold with this professional-grade jewelry glue. It dries to the touch in minutes and fully cures for lasting results. What we like. This adhesive offers exceptional elasticity, making it perfect for repairs that might experience movement or stress. If you need a glue that bonds strongly yet remains flexible, especially for phone repairs or delicate jewelry, this is the one. Its transparent, waterproof finish ensures a seamless restoration. What people say. This glue is great for attaching ribbons to wreaths. It holds floral foam securely in place. The glue dries clear, making it ideal for delicate arrangements. Number 3. Oasis Floral Adhesive Tube, 2-pack. This floral adhesive is waterproof, making it perfect for use on wet or damp surfaces. You can apply it with confidence, even in challenging conditions. Need a quick bond? This adhesive dries rapidly, providing a fast and reliable hold. It's suitable for both temporary and permanent floral arrangements. Its clear formula adheres beautifully to a variety of materials. Use it on fabric, ceramic, glass, and more for versatile crafting. The convenient tube packaging ensures easy dispensing every time. It also makes storage simple and mess-free. You can trust the Oasis brand for high-quality adhesive products. This floral adhesive is another reliable choice from a trusted name. What we like. This adhesive is designed for quick and reliable bonding on a variety of materials, including those that might be wet. If you need a fast-acting, waterproof glue for floral arrangements or crafts involving ceramic and glass, this is an excellent option. Its convenient tube packaging makes application straightforward. What people say. Making a floral bow or headband or corsage, then this is the glue you need, it won't damage the flowers. Dries fast, which is a plus. As a retired professional floral designer working in shops across the US, these are the same products we use. Number 2. Oasis Floral Adhesive Tube 39G. Introducing the Oasis Floral Adhesive Tube, a versatile solution for all your creative needs. Its high-quality design ensures reliability for any project. This tube measures 39G, providing ample adhesive for extensive use. It's perfect for both simple and complex decorative ventures. Use it for any creative or decorative venture you can think of. Let your imagination run wild with this multifunctional adhesive. Crafted with a high-quality design, it guarantees excellent performance. You can trust it to hold your creations securely. This adhesive is truly multifunctional and multi-useful. It's an essential tool for florists, crafters, and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. This adhesive is incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of creative and decorative projects. If you're someone who enjoys diverse crafting and needs a reliable, high-quality adhesive for various ventures, this is a solid choice. Its convenient 39G size is perfect for keeping on hand for any creative impulse. What people say. It works in just a few seconds. Bonds fresh cut flowers to other flower or to other objects. Bonds quickly, within 10 seconds to a couple minutes, variant on what types of materials you're bonding and how much glue you're using. Number 1. Oasis Design Works Hot Melt Glue Pillows 16 ounces. Introducing the 16-ounce bag of hot melt glue pillows from Oasis Design Works. Perfect for all your creative projects. Each bag contains a generous 16 ounces of high-quality glue. This ensures you have plenty for any task. Let your imagination run wild. These glue pillows are designed for any creative or decorative venture you can envision. Experience the difference of high-quality design. Our product is crafted for durability and excellent performance. These glue pillows are incredibly versatile. They are multifunctional and multi-useful, adapting to a wide range of applications. What we like. With a generous 16-ounce bag, this hot melt adhesive is ideal for larger projects or frequent crafters. If you're undertaking extensive decorative ventures or need a bulk supply of high-quality adhesive, this is the product for you. It's designed for versatility across many creative applications. What people say. This is an amazing product that dries clear. I use it with a small skillet to do floral arrangements for events. This glue works perfect with a melt warmer for floral use. The melts go a long way. I've bought a few bags over the year and have made hundreds of wrist corsages. The glue actually works on floral foam. Craft glue does not. This is what you need if you are working with flowers, silk, or fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.